With the Surface Modeling Edition, you can export data out to Google Earth. So a couple things you want to have though is in your project, you want to have a datum defined. So you can see here under my project settings, I've gone in under my coordinate system and I've set up the coordinate system, in this case, where my project is located. So in this case, it's in Virginia. Once you have that, you can select the objects that you want to send to Google Earth, and on the Home tab, you can select the Google Earth command. It's going to come up and it's going to ask you for an offset. So if you needed to offset it with a northing, easting, and elevation, or simply clamp to ground. So I can either do absolute or clamp to ground. Then I can click on apply, and what will happen is it will export out the data and create a KML file and open up Google Earth. And when it opens up Google Earth, it then will take me to, it'll create that, import that KML, and it'll zoom me to that project location, as you can see here. So now I can see my line work overlaid on the Google Earth map.